Customer complaint is that the unit is in a no crank, no start condition. Let's confirm our problem. So she doesn't even sound like she wants the crank. It's interesting. Our first check is always source voltage. Let's see what our battery voltage is here. Let's see what do we have here? Oh, we got 12.8. See if we can stick her in there while we're trying to crank. Those gator clips are really nice because then you can kind of... So after checking voltage on everything, I found that I was like, oh, maybe I'm getting ahead of myself. Maybe it's something super simple because the solenoid seems fine. I found the relay seems fine. Everything seems fine. And so I went back to basics and I was like, oh, is it in gear? Because you know, when it's in gear, it won't start. And I checked it. And that's the first thing I did.
Let's confirm our
problem. It didn't start, but now that don't sound good either. Oh, I see a spark going on down there. After a little bit more playing around, I realized, yes, it is the thing for power wire to the solenoid, because then I hold it on there. She cranks quite strong.